Take your tire off. Front sway bar link, 17mm socket. We're going to remove it. Pretty corroded. I pre-sprayed it. I'm going to use a nice 1/2-inch breaker bar. See if we can break it free. Take that off and disregard it. Oh, wow, look at that bushing. 18mm socket. Let's see if we can break it free. Okay, nice. If this bolt starts to move, that is a T55. I'm just going to take a hammer and hammer it off. Hammer it to the edge, and then you can grab it and pull it right off. Now with the new sway bar link, we're going to put it through the top and give it a little push. I'm just going to hammer tap it on. Reinstall the bottom flat washer and the nut. The top comes with a new bushing, washer, and lock nut. So bushing first, facing down, tapered down into the seat. Then washer. And you're going to have to pull down on this sway bar to get this to start. Blue thread, lock thread goes on the top, so the nut will look in this position. $18mm socket. We'll bottom it out, snug it, and then we'll torque it to 40 foot-pounds. 40 foot-pounds. The new nut is a 16mm socket, and because it has a torque spec to it, we don't have to lower this one on the ground because we cannot over-tighten the bushings. The torque spec is 27 foot-pounds. So once it bottoms out, we'll just torque it to 27. 60mm socket for the new top of the sway bar link. I'm just going to snug it down, and I'm going to put the tire on, bring it down, and we'll show you how to tighten these to make the bushings not over tightened. Sway bar link, the top bushing, 16mm nut. So I'm just going to snug it down. You can use a socket. I have a ratchet wrench. And I want to make this link just snug. So now we're going to torque the wheels. The torque for this 2000 Jeep is 85 to 110. I take the age of the vehicle in consideration here, so we know the lug nuts and the threads are probably worn out. I'm going to go to max of 110 foot-pounds.